Good evening.
Is it audible, sir?
Yeah, you
Good
are
evening. Good
audible.
evening.
Good evening,
sir.
Prajwal. So,
Good evening,
Prajwal,
ma'am.
tell me something about yourself.
First of all, I want to thank for this opportunity. I want to introduce myself. I am Prajwal Srivastava. I am belong from the Azamgarh, Uttar Pradesh, but currently I live in Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. I did graduation in geography from Veer Bahadur Singh Purvanchal University. That's all about me.
Okay, Prajwal, you belong from Prayagraj. Can you tell me
No,
the
ma'am.
previous name?
I am belong from Azamgarh. I am currently living in Prayagraj.
Okay, you are living in Prayagraj. So, can you tell me what was the previous name of Prayagraj?
Allahabad, ma'am.
Who has given that? Who has given that name, Allahabad?
Akbar. Akbar, the ruler of Akbar, gave this name.
The word Allahabad has been given by Akbar.
Yes, ma'am. It's Allahabad.
So Allahabad has been given. Now the name has been changed to Allahabad, which has been given by Shah Jahan. Okay. Okay. Oh, you want to do MBA. Like, what is your career goal?
What, ma'am? Please repeat this question.
I'm asking, what is your career goal, Prajwal?
I want to pursue MBA, and after this, I am getting a job in banking sector.
Okay, so which specialization you are doing?
Ma'am, please repeat.
Which specialization you are doing? MBA?
In current situation, I didn't decide the specialization. Once I get admission, and I will pursue what kind of subject and which specialization, either risk management or finance.
Okay. Okay, Prajwal, is there anyone in your life who inspires you the most?
Yes, ma'am. My cousin inspires me most because he is currently serving the FP in VI office, and I am playing for the Creators Cricket Academy. He was also playing Creators Cricket Academy, and he is very well balancing between study and sport. I am unable to do that, so he was inspiring me a lot, and he currently is also inspired for my studies in many ways.
Okay. Okay. Yes, Bhupesh, sir.
Prajwal, you have completed your graduation with geography.
Yes, sir.
Can you please tell me what is latitude and what is longitude?
Longitude is straight line, imaginary. The boss line are imaginary. Longitude is a straight line, and latitude is the transverse line.
Okay, what is transverse?
Transverse is just parallel line. Sorry, sir, I am unable to recall this.
Okay. Can you give a relation between time and latitude or longitude?
Sorry, sir, I don't recall this.
You have mentioned that you are very interested in poetry and shairi.
Yes, sir.
So can you name any political person known good for his poetry?
Political person, he is not current MP or any, maybe he is not belong from any party, but most famous person is Kumar Vishwa.
Okay. So in which constitution he is?
Constituency.
Yeah.
Sir, constituency means he is not a current MP or any member in parliament or any kind, but he was fight election from Amethi. If I am not wrong, he is a fight election from Amethi against Smriti Irani, ma'am.
Okay. So you have heard of Anna Hazare?
Yes, sir. I heard, and political background made by the Kumar Vishwas by the Anna Hazare.
Okay. So do you agree with ideology of Anna Hazare?
Yes, sir, I agree with the ideology of Anna Hazare.
What is his ideology?
he tried to make a Lokpal in the nation, who is watchful for the all organization. Lokpal is the watchful person who is for all organization. Is the exempted president, and president is not covered by the Lokpal.
Okay. Over to you, Abhishek, sir.
Okay, Prajwal, you are interested in banking sector. Can you explain us what is the source of profit for the bank?
So
source of revenue.
Basically the loan interest pay on the loan by the public is the profit of bank.
Okay. Can you explain what is repo rate?
Sorry, sir, I am unable to recall it.
Okay. How you see the future of cryptocurrency?
So currently the cryptocurrency is not so much sophisticated way, and I think the current scenario, the cryptocurrency have no future. But if government organize some rule regulation, then cryptocurrency have a future, and it will flourish a lot. And it can also make a legal tender in India. But without organize or without making a rule, it will not future in India.
Okay, what is your view on one nation and one election?
So one nation and one election is a good sense. It not save money, but it saves the political pressure on the people and also the authorities, because when you get election in every 1-2 years, the authorities also busy in election and they doesn't perform their own work. So one nation, one election is good for the efficiency of the work.
Okay.
It will not cost benefit.
Can you explain any two items which are not included in GST?
Petrol is not included in GST, and the second one I don't know about the second one, and petrol is not included in GST.
Okay, second one is liquor, alcohol.
Thank you.
Which other MBA college have shortlisted you?
I don't feel from any other college. I feel for just BHU.
Any specific region?
So BHU is a renowned university among the UP and among India. And the BHU have a well-renowned faculty. So I feel the BHU and work hard for this college.
Okay. Why we choose you? Any special quality in you?
Sir, besides the academy, I am also hardworking, because recently the MBA examination conducted by the NTA, there is a problem in vocab, because I am facing and I am talking about a lot of student vocabulary is so hard. So I finished the vocabulary in just 3 days, a black book which is famous book in the market, and I finished all the vocab in just 3 days. So I am hardworking, and this will benefit for the institute.
Yeah, IUC, man.
Okay, Prajwal. You must have heard about the term Make in India. So, do you think that this Make in India concept is really worth, or do you think that this will work on a ground reality concept?
Yes, ma'am. Make in India is a really work in ground concept. If we want to provide all jobs for all the youngsters, the Make in India is most important, because it is impossible to give the job all the youngsters government job. Government job unable to fulfill all the requirement by students. Make in India is the need, because Make in India have many projects like Shakti project, and many sheep is building in India. So this help in the employment.
Okay. Okay, Prajwal. Any questions you want to ask?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Prajwal. Thank you so much.
Thank you.